Is it gay to go to a play or to a theater? Dude, that thing is
like an
huge.
I used to light styrofoam on fire as a kid. I would just melt it in the front yard. Dude.
Casually making
Dude,
napalm.
my dad used to get pissed because I would take his brake cleaner and then light the driveway on fire.
Is it gay to have another man cook for a bunch of other men?
This is what we spend our time doing because we do online business and we're not working at KFC or Jiffy Lube.
The reason somebody buys from Alex and not from fucking Jimmy is because Alex is different. He has different values. He has different beliefs. And like, depending on who you're trying to attract, you have to properly show that in your videos. It's like a lot of people use the Christian angle. A lot of people are like racist and they're trolls. And like, that's funny to people. And so then it attracts a certain demographic that likes you more than the competitor.
Colon cancer away. The high fiber keeps the colon cancer away.
Is it gay to have another man cook for a bunch of other men?
No, because it's the boys hanging out. I grill steaks, and when we have the guys, I'm grilling.
Is that cooking or is that grilling?
It's grilling. It is more manly. That is for sure.
So
however, I think we have to ask them about the real question. Is it gay to go to a play or to a theater? That's the original is it gay question.
You already know the answer.
Okay, yeah, but I want to see what they think. You know, let people decide for themselves. Is it gay to go to a play?
Now, before you answer that question,
this is the original question Alex proposed to us a few months ago.
Okay, now for those of you watching, before you jump out the camera screen and start yelling at me, is it gay to go to a movie theater with your friends too? Answer that question as well.
Movies are different.
How are they different?
Theater is
you
gay.
have to sit down in the seat and watch a play. It's the same
Theater
shit.
is gay, bro.
It's just one is like happening in real time, and another one was recorded.
Okay,
pre-recorded.
so my answer is it's a fair point. It's a fair point. But my answer to Alex's question from a few months ago was, if it's just guys, if it's just a group of guys, that's gay. But if you're with women, or if you're on a date with a woman and there's just two of you guys, that's not gay.
Wow.
That's not gay. But if there's a woman there, it's not gay. But
just
if
one.
There's
so
one woman.
Like four guys and one woman. It's not
gay. That is still kind of gay. Because if it's one woman.
So what's the ratio? Is it a 3 to 1?
It has to be a 50%, dude.
2 to 1 ratio.
You have to have one woman and one man in the group. You know, if it's like a group and there's like one off here or there, like
yeah. So
maybe.
you're telling me 2 guys and 1 girl is gay going to a play?
Yeah, I don't know. See, that's the thing. It's just in general. My general answer: all guys going to a play is gay. If there's women involved, then the gayness starts to go down. But I don't know. These are the things that we think of. This is what we spend our time. This is what we spend our time doing because we do online business and we're not working at KFC or Jiffy Lube. Like, these are the important questions that you really have to think about.
Go put the course in the bag, little bro.
Put the course in the bag. Hey guys, buy my course so I can pay my rent, dude.
Some of the fucking comments are hilarious.
Dude, they're hilarious.
Like,
dude.
how do you even think of
They're funny, bro. They're comedians. Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So
like,
funny.
you can't even be mad at them, even if they're talking shit to you. It's just too
You just gotta
funny.
laugh, yeah. You literally just gotta laugh.
Yeah, just getting trolled online. But that's the whole point, is you gotta be controversial. You gotta, that's why just you put out a bunch of volume, you put out a bunch of stuff, and then people are gonna say what they want to say, and then people who agree with you and buy stuff from you. That's how it works.
Yeah, right, literally.
Yeah. All right.
High ticket.
Trevor, where are these houses?
I didn't know there's water, like, right here, like, exposed to the ocean like that.
Yeah, look, so we're right
Look
here.
at that, dude. I didn't even know that.
Yeah, it's fucking sexy.
It's so cool, dude.
So this is the part of South Tampa that nobody knows about and nobody talks about. And the places here are actually really incredible. You have a lot of old stuff, and then there were some lots back there. But realistically, you got some great potential here and some really nice houses. Look at that.
It's beautiful.
That thing is a
This is a
Florida mansion. Jeez.
Yeah.
Columns and everything.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I haven't been down to this part yet.
This looks like a apartment or
Miami.
office building, dude.
Ah, look at that. Dude, that
This
thing
is like an
huge.
office building, dude.
Oh my gosh.
Jesus.
Down to just walk straight through.
Oh my gosh. This is
They're gonna have like an
the
elevator.
tip
in here.
of South Tampa.
Back it hurts, but
I promise it's big.
yeah.
But in all fairness, whatever cost you pay here, you could pay way less for more.
Dang.
Yeah.
You go left or right up the stairs.
They just use the whole fucking road as a parking lot.
Okay, dude, the whole cul-de-sac, dude.
All right, so we found the lot that we're gonna purchase.
Couple mil.
Couple
It's
mil.
gonna be a six bedroom, 10 bath. We're gonna have a pool right over there in the corner, L-shaped pool, jacuzzi to the right of that. We're gonna have a sunken sitting area, fire pit,
Conversation pit.
sunken fire pit. We're gonna make sure we have some turf too for the dogs on the right hand side. Trevor wants a husky. I think Tyler, you said you wanted a Pomeranian, right? Small Pomeranian.
Yeah, gay dog.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so there's another gay question. If you have a Pomeranian and you are a single man and it's not your woman's, is that gay?
Yeah, like why that dog of all dogs? You know?
All right.
Crazy.
So this is the
We gotta make a TikTok here.
this is the new spot. We're our apartment is like what, maybe a mile down the street from here. So pretty freaking dope. Complete carnage over here.
Dude, insane.
Eggs spilling
I
everywhere.
just dumped it out.
These guys just beating each other up. It's your thirst trap.
Ooh, that is very, very, very hot. Put a little bit of water back in there. That got me, dude. That water splashed, dude.
It's a lot of flour.
It is a lot of flour, but it takes a lot of flour as well.
No, dude.
Super seasoned.
This is bleached, enriched flour.
It is bleached and rich flour.
Do you know?
Is $3. Okay?
Bleached, enriched flour.
Dude, look.
So
Look,
bad.
if bleached and rich flour kills me, dude, I wasn't gonna live long to begin with, alright? I used to light styrofoam on fire as a kid for fun. Like,
Just cuss.
yeah,
make
dude,
it-
I would just melt it in the front yard, dude.
Casually making
Dude,
napalm.
my dad used to get pissed because I would take his brake cleaner and I would draw in the middle of our driveway in brake cleaner fluid. Like, I would spray it and draw things and then light the driveway on fire. Dude,
What kind of messages were you sending to people?
I would draw giant dicks in my driveway and light them on fire.
How old are you?
Like 18. I'm kidding. No, this was, dude, I don't even know how old I was at this point. I was maybe like, 6, 5. My parents left me home alone, dude, with a literal giant thing in the garage just full of like random like petrol things. So I just took advantage of it.
This man is a menace.
Dude, hey, I'm a good cook though.
Just do a hardcore Hell's Kitchen.
All right, love. Right now we're gonna grate some Parmesan into this.
What is that?
This is a half and half. We're gonna put some spices like a paprika, cayenne, garlic powder, onion powder. Kind of mix it up.
You sound like Steve Irwin. He should be on Animal Planet.
Then we're gonna fry the gator right after this. I'm gonna jump on a stingray once again.
Uh-oh.
Dude, that was a low blow, wasn't it?
So we got Asian chicken made with honey, sriracha,
Love.
butter, garlic, and soy sauce.
And a lot of love.
And then we got lots of love. And then we got Italian pasta,
We do
Italian
pasta.
cheese sauce. So we got Asian and Italian.
Dude, best of both worlds, dude. How I like my women, how I like my food.
Asian and Italian.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Delicious.
Yeah, it's fire.
Time to rip the
Sound
pod.
panels. Or like those boom. But we all just need our own boom arm mic.
Fat L for the boys tonight. This camera stopped recording for some reason. That one was fine.
Okay, you got 5 hours on our card.
We have 5 out.
sweet.
We ran out of storage, but we don't know how long it stopped. So you might just
I think it was kind of recent.
we might just have me and Alex's face on while you guys are talking.
Well, I think kind of look at it.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, so you're gonna have to just like find somewhere to like cut.
Oh. All right, so we just wrapped up the pod. It's still smoky in here. Trevor's nose is going crazy. My eyes are watering. So we're gonna get some, wrap this up. Maybe go out on the town.
Get some dessert. I thought you said you were too tired.
No, I want to go to bed. I need to eat food and go to bed.